Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl the Cosmic Phoenix. Sit back, relax, and let's chat. Okay, so first things first, you guys, we're going to cut up our vegan sausages, our peppers, onions, anything like that. Now, quick reminder, tomatoes, you do not want to cook your tomatoes because when you cook your tomatoes, there is a chemical process that is released that actually can feed fibroids. So don't cook your tomatoes, you guys. Okay, so yeah, sometimes I put on a lot of lip gloss. I just took off a little bit. That's what All right, so let's get it popping in this chefsorito. Okay. I'm gonna use some Earth Balance butter. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, you guys, I'm showing you my beautiful sausages cut up and my scallion from my garden. Big up myself. Make sure you guys start to garden your own stuff. Create. And as always, it's always fun to, dance while you cook. Put some good vibrations up into your food. Speak power into your food. Speak love and life into your food, okay? Always good energy into your food. That's what you're feeding your fam. Now, I'm going to tell y'all my apologies in advance for the way I'm going to scratch up this pot, scrape it up, because I'm Jamaican and I have a heavy hands, okay? So I be scratching up the pot, digging up the bottom of the pot. It's not intentional, it's just a habit. My hand is heavy, alright? Sorry about that. Okay, so now it's time for your seasoning. I'm just doing this quick and easy. So I'm throwing in some black pepper, okay? You can also use your seasonings of your choice, okay? I'm also going to grab me some pink Himalayan sea salt, which is very good. I use this to cook all the time. And I usually use the avocado oil, the chosen avocado oil, but I didn't have any on hand. So that's why I just grabbed the Earth Balance butter, okay? I'm gonna make it do what it do regardless, period. Okay, now my love, you're just gonna stir up the pot with the flick of the wrist. Alright, take your time. Don't beat up your pot bottom like me, but just stir up your seasonings and all your foods together, okay? And as you're stirring, be sure to set the intentions into your food to raise the vibrations of your family, good vibes, abundance in every aspect of your life, okay? Ooh, look at that. Okay. Now I'm finna add in some spinach into my pot, okay? You can add whatever you want to add into it. You are your own magician, okay? And I'm also gonna stir my spinach, my sausages, my seasonings, just stir everything up together. And then we're done, and I'm just going to add it to my burrito. This is a soft shell taco, but you're gonna see me turn this into a big girl burrito. All right, peace. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment and do remember to subscribe. Also follow me on the gram at the Cosmic Phoenix. Peace.